Okay, it looks lovely, but it's not working at the moment. And that's why I'm disconnecting these things. The ignition module is dead. It was playing up. Now it's dead. We're just going to take that out and have a look at it. I mean, I've already had a look at it, but now I've got to take it out. I've got to get all these, you know, these bits out. So, screwdriver. Right, a proper CDI ignition is encapsulated in resin. The resin is a high dielectric resin. Why do they encapsulate them? Well, it adds to reliability. It means that something on the surface of this isn't going to get there, like a film of oil or dust or something in an engine isn't going to get over this and cause leakage of the high voltage. Now this is the one that comes with the Cison V2. What I really want to show you is that there are two separate circuits there. Here's the coil for one, here's the coil for another. And these are the two spark, sorry, there's the coil for one, there's the coil for another, and there's the two spark outputs. Now, to stop this sparking across the gap, my one was encapsulated with a little bit of blue tack around each of those high voltage outputs, rather than the whole thing. Another benefit of encapsulating the whole thing isn't just that it's extra electrical insulation for a high voltage circuit. It also helps the components to keep cool. Now, particularly the voltage, the voltage converter chips, and the I can just see one in there. The transistors, the amplifying transistors. So these are going to get hot. So, looking closely at this, we can see that it does not look like it's made by a machine. It looks like it's made by, well, I am told probably an Asian kid in a sweatshop somewhere in Asia. Well, that's all fine. I need another one of these, and rather than wait for Engine DIY to send me another one, I need to find myself an Asian kid and a sweatshop. So let's see what we can do. Guy, can you come over here for a minute, please? Can you come over here for a minute? Hey, come and have a seat here, please. Okay. He's a good lad. Okay. This is an Asian kid I prepared earlier. Now it's a hot day, right, Guy? Yeah. It's a really hot day. We just went to the shop. What? Would you say you're sweating a little bit? I'll speak in Chinese. Are you sweaty? Yeah. Yeah. And we go to shop. Yeah. Yeah. And we found a kitten sweating out the back of the shop, didn't we? So I've got everything I need. Here. Here. Okay. I need 10 of these. Now, where's that kitten? If you do 10 of these, you get to eat tonight. Stir fry. Can you do for me? 10 by night. 10 have to work by night. Then stir fry kitten. Yeah. Okay, good boy. Let's see how this goes.